Okay, good evening everyone, and this is Vinay from India, and I'm very much
Yep.
excited to present my first webinar. My action research question is how to engage the low proficient children in the low resource classroom. So I work in India, that particularly a remote village, so where the lack of resources. So my problem is that how to make the low proficient children to take part actively in the classroom. So this is my action research question, and for that reason, and I tried some activities. So the activities that I designed for this action research, so to narrate an anecdotes, and the second one is the creating a poster. So why I have chosen these two areas, the one thing is that the narrating and anecdotes means the theme that I have taken is the snakes in India. So I work in the rural India, so the most of the people are well acquainted and aware of the and encountered with the snakes. So this topic is within the experiential arbit of my children. So that's why I have chosen this theme, and particularly I worked for the preparation of the posters. So how to create a poster, because the children will enjoy a lot by doing with the colors and the working with the papers and the drawing and all other things. So these things make the children to participate actively and made the low proficient children also taking a lead role in that. So to make all the low proficient children to take an active role in that group and a collaborative work, and I have given a separate roles for them when they are working in the groups. That is, everyone in the group will be given a particular role. That is, one person is going to act as a team leader, and the other one is going to act as a layout designer, and the spell checker, the content monitors, like that, so that they can take the responsibility of their learning. So like that they have given a particular roles. So they go on monitoring these kind of works when they are working in the group. So this worked well, and the most of the low proficient learners are started participating actively and taking a responsibility of their role learning. Is it okay? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, right. Then these are my findings. So collaborative task and the group works helps them to engage. So the most of the low proficient children are also taking their upper hand because of the roles assigned to them. And another one is the topic selected is within their experiential arbit. This enhanced their participation because every child has a personal experience of encountering with the snake once or twice in their life. So they started trying to share the experiences with the snake, and in that process they started using the language. So error tolerance also play the vital role to build the confidence of the low proficient learner. So when they try to prepare the posters and they go on doing a lot of mistakes. So as a teacher, I started ignoring all those things, and my intention is to make them to participate in the classroom so that they can learn better in the future. So not to identify the errors and this is wrong and this is right and all other things. Just I ignored their errors. So that makes the child to be confident to do the work independently. So the concentrating on the process and rather than the product. So generally our focus, hello. So my focus is on their work, not on the product. So that also gave some kind of confidence for the children that they go on working, they prepare their first draft, second draft, third draft, and finally a final draft. Even though there are a lot of errors and the sentence construction is not proper, but they try to exhibit the things well, that is well organized. They use the colors, designs, drawings, posters, and even the images also they used in their posters. So oral presentation and the demonstration and the display of their work motivate them intrinsically. After completing preparing their poster, and I asked them to come forward and to present it to the class. This is the one way I followed, so that they build a kind of confidence among them. And another strategy that I followed is to make all these posters are displayed in their classroom, so that the teachers and even their friends and started observing their works and started writing comments also. So they prepared the comment slips and they have written some comments on that. They pasted those comments around their posters. So this also helped them to motivate intrinsically, and the most of the low proficient children and everyone in the classroom started taking an active role, and we become a very close friends. And every period, whenever somebody writes some comments on their poster, they immediately run to me and they explain that, sir, this is the comment that I received today, like that. So like that they started participating actively in the classroom. This is the my project and its outcome. Hello?
Yeah, hi, Vinay, thank you. Thank you very much indeed.
Yeah.
You've been very active, and you've also shared some video on the Facebook group. So we're going to put this together with your slides onto our website later on, together with your presentation. So thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
Vinay, question: how did you know that these tasks worked so well? Was it simply you seeing that, or did you get any feedback from the learners?
I didn't get it. I didn't get it. How?
Sorry?
So please repeat the question.
Yeah. From what research? What was your research? I mean, did you get the students to write down what they thought about your teaching, or to tell you what they thought about it? How are you sure that they found it good for them?
Before when I teach in the classroom, out of 30 or the 40 students in my classroom, only the 10 to 20 students always take an active role. But when they take up this activity of preparing the poster, particularly they are ready to work with the colors, designs and the drawing. So even the student who is not taking an active role also started participating in it.
So you observed that, you could see that that participating better, because that's the research, isn't it? So thanks so much. That was very interesting. Thank you, Vinay. And next we're going to have a presentation from Kausalya from Nepal. Vinay, you're in India, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm from India.
Yeah. Kausalya is from Nepal. So thank you, Vinay. Goodbye.
Thank you.
And Vinay, Kausalya, hope to be able to hear from you. Can you talk to us?